All right. So now we're doing SQL course, beginner course, updating records. All right. So the update statement is used to update or change records that match a specified criteria. This is accomplished by carefully constructing a where clause. All right. So we've got table. Also, this looks weird because it's line wrapped. The above example was line wrapped for better viewing on this web page. Okay. It's not better at all, but whatever. All right. So we're going to do an update, and then we'll have the table name set column name equals new value. And then we can have optionally more values after a comma. Okay. And then we'll say where column name operator value. So column name equals value, or column name is greater than or less than or not equal to whatever value, and or column operator. So we can do an and or an or as well. All right. It doesn't really go into the ands or ors, but we can check this out at least. So here are the examples. We got update phone book, set area code to 623 where the prefix is 979. So any prefix that's 979. What? Is going to have the area code of 623. Okay. Okay. I get it. So this is like the second 3 digits and this is the first 3 digits, I guess. All right. So we've got update phone book where we're going to set last name to equal Smith, the prefix to 555 and the suffix to 9292, where last name is Jones. All right. So we're changing up anybody with Jones to be a Smith and to have this phone number. All right. And then we're going to say update employee, set age to age +1, where first name equals Mary and last name equals Williams. Okay. So we're going to add 1 to the name. There we go. Pardon me. So after each update, okay, pardon me. We're going to do the update statement exercises. So after each update, we're going to issue a select statement to verify our changes. Gotcha. So we've got Joni Weber. Joni Weber just got married to Bob Williams. She has requested that her last name be updated to Weber Williams. All right. So we're not going to show the answer. What am I doing? All right. So down here, let's get rid of this too. We're going to say, so update my employees. All right. So update my employees. All right. And then we're going to say set something where something. So set last name to Weber Williams. So we'll say set last name equals Weber hyphen Williams, where first name equals Joni, right? It was Joni, right? Yeah, Joni, and last name equals Weber. All right. So that's how we're going to say, use the and if we wanted it like or, we could, I don't know, use an or, but we're not, I don't think we're going to have to use that. What's going on, Eros? Thank you. Thank you. I'm glad you got a lot out of it, and you have a good day as well. Thank you. All right. So I'm pretty sure that's going to work. So let's do this select statement to make sure. So we'll say select all from my employees, and then we'll do a where. First name, first, we'll just take this. We can just take this whole Weber statement, this whole thing. No. We'll take this. Where first name equals Weber. Let's take that, this where. I mean, first name equals Joni, whatever. Anyway, so let's execute the query. Come on. Oh, yeah, don't forget the semicolon after the SQL statements. All right, now let's check it. All right, we got Joni Weber Williams right there. Looks good. Let's go. So Dirk Smith's birthday is today. We're going to add one to his age. All right. So let's take this whole thing, drop it down to 1, 2, slap that in there. Let's turn this into a Dirk Smith finder. Dirk Smith. So set what? Birthday, set age to, okay, so we're going to set age to age +1, where first name equals Dirk and last name equals Smith. And we'll check it by doing this, where first name equals Dirk. That's fine. That's good enough. And then also we're going to have to reset this back to the age afterwards. So we'll have to do another reset. We'll have to do another update right after this that says age -1. All right. And let's execute the query. So he's, hold on. How old is he right now? Hold on. So right now, Dirk is 45, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. No, that's Luke Duke. Yeah. So Dirk's 45 right now. And let's execute the query. Come on. Oh, yeah. Don't forget these. Execute the query. Yeah. How about this one too? My goodness. Okay, there we go. So there it is, 46. And if we execute it again, it won't go up one more because we changed it back to that. So there we go. Problem solved with the age going up in perpetuity problem we were having. All right, cool. So now we've got those two. Let's go get the next one. All secretaries are now called administrative assistants. We're going to update all the titles accordingly. All right, so we'll come down here and we'll say, well, I already, let's change it back to secretary. Let's change it back to secretary first. Okay, so select, take this. Okay, where set title to secretary. Secretary, where this thing is administrative assistant, where title, and let's say instead of this equals, let's do a like on this one, where title like, and then we'll say admin with this thing right here with the % sign, and then let's execute it. Okay, so look, it turned it back to secretary. Good. All right, so now we can change it. All right, so now we can do what it said to do. All right, which was change it to admin. So let's take this, drop it off in front of this, come over here, and then say, instead of, we'll take this and put it here and say administrative assistant, and then we'll say secret. I'm sure that'll work because secret's right there, right? And then let's check it. Okay, so then we're going to check it after that. So let's do this. Select all from my employees. Let's drag this back one. Where title equals secretary. Title equals this. And it should give us nothing when we do this. Let's execute the query. All right, good. So and then it goes and changes it back to secretary. So let's come over here and say where title equals admin. Where title, what did I do on that one? Yeah, that wasn't what we were supposed to do at all. We were supposed to do this. That was BS. My bad. Sorry. We were supposed to do this. Now let's run it. It'll still do the same thing, but it'll actually do it now. Okay. What? Oh, where title like secret. Let's get that. Coding, right? Execute it. All right, cool. So yeah, it was changed to admin assistant, and then there we go. Hold on. Let's take this and change secret to that. Now execute it. Okay, cool. Okay, so she was a secretary first, and now they're both Zoni and Joni are both administrative assistants now. All right, good. So there's that. There's that. And we're gonna have to bring this one back. All right, so there's that one. And we did this one first, which was just like what we did. Joni and Weber. All right, Weber Williams, Joni Weber, and then we say this on the select so it's smaller. And then this one, age +1, right there. Dirk, last name Smith. This one, set title administrative assistant. Set title administrative assistant. Where title like secret. We could say I like it better this way. And then now we're on this one. Everyone that's making under 30 grand are to receive a $3,500 a year raise. All right. So for this one, we're going to do just like we've been doing. Get this. Drop it. Say title. Hey, what's going on, winner? You're welcome. You're welcome. What was it doing? Okay, yeah. So we're doing this one right now. Everybody that's making under 30 grand get this much a year. So we're going to say set title, set salary. Salary equals salary plus 3,500. Salary plus 3,500. Where title, no. Where salary is less than or equal to, no, is less than $30,000. All right. And then let's get rid of that. All right. And then after that, let's come down here and check it. We're going to do this select. Select from employees where title like this, like admin, and it's going to be where title like admin. No. Where salary is less than 33,501. All right, there we go. Because that way, if they were at 30,000, we'll be able to see them also. And then we're going to have to set it back so that these numbers don't go crazy on us. All right. Whoa. Copy this. And then after that, we'll set it again. Whoops. Go down, back, drop it. All right. Update my employees' salaries minus when it's less than this number. All right. So let's look at what it looks like. Cross your fingers. Okay, there we go. So they both had 1950, and then we gave them a raise, and now they got 2,300. Looks like, and if we do it again and again and again, it won't change because we sent it back where it came from. Hopefully that makes sense. Once we sent the salary back to where it started, which was 1950. All right, great. All right, so we've got that now. Oh, you're from Chile. Good, awesome. Awesome. Just keep going strong with the what is it? Coding, right? All right, so let's keep going with this. So now we're on to the next one. Let's look at what this is supposed to look like. Update employees where salary is this, where salary is less than 3,000. So that's just like what we did. And then select blah, blah, blah. All right, great. So let's do the same for people making over 33,500. And we're going to give them $4,500 a year. All right, so let's do that. So we'll come down here and let's just take this whole thing since it's going to do exactly the same thing pretty much, just different numbers. We're going to say where salary is greater than 33,500. Where salary is greater than 33,500, we're going to give them 4,500. And then we're going to say salary greater than 33,500. Yes. And then also we're going to set salary. We're going to, let's get this. Let's get this and drop it and then say minus. All right. Now let's execute the query. So whoever's got the big money, like Dirk over here, is going to get even bigger money. Yes. There's Dirk. How come the programmers are making too much money? What's up with that? That's not how much the programmers are supposed to make. They're supposed to make less. Right? Hold on. Yeah, Dirk's supposed to be cleaning up. Why is Dirk got such a low, what? What the hell is this? All right, we need to change up Dirk real quick at the beginning. So we'll say update. We're only going to do this update once on Dirk. We'll say update my employees. What am I doing? In fact, we've got Dirk right here. We can just set his salary using this. No big deal. Set salary to that number over here. This number. Take those off and boom. That should take care of business. All right, so there's his salary before the 4,500. This is before the 4,500, and this is after? No, this is before, and then the after is down here. All right, great. All right, so let's get rid of this, and it should work from now on. Let's hit the execute again, and again, and again, and again. All right, so nothing's changing. Everything's looking the same. That's what we were going for. What the hell is this? Oh, we should have just said everybody with the last name is Smith. All right, let's back up. Where last name equals Smith. Execute the query. All right, look, everybody with Smith has a huge paycheck now. All right, now it makes sense. Here we go. Now let's execute the query and look now. Okay, great. That was kind of pissing me off there a little bit. No big deal. We're good. All right, so why are we looking at this though? Select. Oh yeah, all the people that are above this. Okay, cool. So that's good. So there we go. Let's go look at this one. So update this salary plus 4,500 when it's 33 over 33,500. All right, perfect. Ish. So now we're going to do. Thank you very much. Yeah, just keep up with the JavaScript. And if you're having trouble with JavaScript or you want to learn more, just go over to the Code Wars and take care of it there, because Code Wars will definitely get you thinking more algorithmically, and you'll get to know more about how to what JavaScript can actually do. All right, so let's get back to it. So now all Programmer 2 titles are now promoted to Programmer 3. Okay. So we're going to say another update, my employees. Let's just grab this one. Doesn't matter which one. And we'll say set title title equals programmer 3. Programmer 3, where title equals programmer 2. Yeah. Okay. So our title equals programmer 2. And then let's check it with select. All right. Select where title equals programmer 3. No. Title equals programmer 3. All right. Let's execute the query, and then we got to change it back. No, we don't. Execute the query, programmer 3. Let's see. There we go, right there. Yeah, we do got to change it back, actually. So let's get this. Let's flip it around. Crap. Let's change this to 2 and change this to 3. That way, these are always going to be 2s, and then these will be 3s. Let's run it. Nah. Okay, good. Okay, back to normal. Great. All right. So now, you're welcome. You're welcome. So now, we're going to do the next one. Actually, let's look at this one. Programmer 3 to programmer 2. Yes, just like we did. Okay, so let's do the exact same thing, and let's change it to 1. And yeah, 1 and 2. So let's grab all this right here, drop it off here, change this to 2, change this to nothing, change this to 2, change this to regular. Okay, and then take one of these off. All right, so let's execute it. And there we go. Bah. Hold on. Dirk got a non-promotion. Okay. Oh, because we changed it back. No! Jeez. What a pain. This SQL is such a pain. All right, so now everybody's a programmer 2 for life. And then they changed to programmer 3, and then they changed to... Hold on, execute query again. Look at this. Everybody got a demotion. Ah, man. It's not like we messed it up. It's just that it's stupid to begin with. It's hard to check to begin with. Whatever. Let's just pretend like that's... Oh, no, that was the last one anyway. Okay, so we were right. Maybe it doesn't look good down here now, because if you run the query twice, it's just going to ruin everything. But you know what? We were right in the end, and that's what matters. That's what matters. And we don't have to... We're not going to fix this, because you know what? We're going to act like we sent it in before we ruined everything. Great. So there's that. Let's go to deleting records. All right. They're making a new Razr phone. Why am I looking at ads? All right. So now we're on to deleting records. And we'll see you next time.